Updating your primary email on Wells Fargo is a straightforward process that can be done online. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the shortcut link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 2. Access the profile and preferences. Once logged in, navigate to the profile or preferences section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the profile or preferences section, look for an option labeled email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. You will see your current email address listed. Enter your new primary email address in the provided field and make sure to double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages from Wells Fargo. Keeping your contact information updated is essential for account security and communication.